Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.
Hello guys, good morning everyone, happy Monday. Oh my god, no, like that, okay. Hello guys, how are you? Good morning everyone. What's the highlight here? I don't remember. Oh yeah. How are you guys? How's your morning so far? Good morning, good morning. Perfect people. Amazing people. What happened with new? I forgot that I have new intro. Exactly. I have it, but I forgot. Sorry about this. Nothing happened. All right, guys. All right. I feel good today. This means we should get nice W today, right? Because I finished last week super green, which was kind of surprise to me. But yeah, good, good. All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Oh yeah. It's almost evening here. Now it's like 9:02 a.m. 9:02 a.m. Well, guys, how was your weekend? What did you do? Studying, spend time with family. What did you do? Share with me. You got sick this weekend? You know, I'm sick as well. I keep saying this every single time, but yeah. It's new daycare, my kids fortunately feeling good, but not me. Yeah, Daniel, feel you. I always sick, right? Crazy. It's so painful to drink the water or eat something. Drinking. It's good. It's good. Do you miss Vera? Kind of. Yeah, because I lived there for 3 years. Yard stuff. Okay, got it. Oh, it's great. Did you finish moving? Yes, I did. Finally. No. Well, what is my bias today? I want to long today. Yes, you heard this right. I want to long today. You know, when Rocket blew up, it's, I guess, Blue Origin, right? I moved to Boca, like, and 2 days after this. I miss this because so people said it was super, super bright at night. I'm gonna long today after retracement, so that's my plan. Not going to long to all-time high now. Super mad at me? What happened? Oh, you live in Viera? Coca Beach, got it. Oh, it was super close to you. I miss this. I mean, I saw this on internet, on YouTube, but yeah. I read Facebook, and people were saying like, oh, come on, it was super bright. I guess it was like 9 or 10 p.m., right? No, it's even, maybe I'm wrong. You long on Q. Oh, you got absolutely amazing entry. You got absolutely amazing entry. I got message. 1 second. I got so many messages. Let me edit your message. Oh, about TPT. God, I forgot to. I read this. I forgot to reply because I was on the road. I was in traffic on I-95 on highway. I read your message and I forgot to reply. Did you figure this out? Usually it takes like 24 hours, but since it was like end of the week, probably it will take like a bit longer. My bad. Completely forgot. So problem solved or not? Didn't reply? Okay, I will... Let me know if they're not going to reply you by tomorrow, okay? Sorry about this. I completely forgot to reply. So guys, looking for the trades I'm down to try to long. That's only plan I have. Hello, Barbara. How are you? You want to buy account. Well, what size you would like to get? What kind of drawdown you interested in? Consistency rule problem or not? Payout cap problem or not? Could you give me some advice on how to get my trading channel off the ground? Could you play in English? So what's the problem? Hello guys. Good morning. Missed you. Missed you. Okay. So good for beginners. So first, especially if you're beginner, guys, it's not going to reply only to this guy, like overall. Let's talk about this. If you're beginners and want to try prop firm, look for the prop firm that has a one-time evaluation fee. This means they will not going to charge you for second month, third month, and so on. So options like TradingView, Lucid, E8 futures, and maybe you can try Funded next. So the most popular ones are Lucid and TradingView. But here's the issue. Lucid and TradingView are pretty much similar to each other, but they have different payout rules and different payout caps. Not significant difference. So if you want to compare these prop firms, Lucid once again, Lucid Flex and TradingView, probably try Select Flex as well. You can go on my website and compare these two prop firms because they're super similar. Just different payout cap and payout cap like difference like $1,000. So it's not a big deal. So let me send you a link where you can compare. One sec, guys. So over here, you can just click Lucid. Come on. And compare them. So you can compare by plan. If you want, for example, Lucid Flex, and let's do this one. So, and compare the difference. Because sometimes the price is different. Sometimes payout cap is different, but once again, I truly believe TradingView, Select Flex, and Lucid Flex are pretty much similar to each other, but they have different consistency rule on a vol, right? So it's 50% consistency rule on Lucid and 40% consistency rule on TradingView. Overall, pretty much the same, but payout cap is different. So it's really like pretty much the same. You can try both. Try where best deal we have now. I guess Lucid has 50% now, so probably you can try with Lucid first. Hello, good morning. The transition, well, it's not fast process. So if I'm not mistaken, it can take up to 1 week, but I hope it's going to be faster. So try to trade different account now while waiting. Guys, appreciate this. Thank you for supporting me. Why I want to long? Well, we got almost 5% drop. If you go like to previous data, like previous huge drops, you will see that next day we usually trace back to 50%. Back to equilibrium this drop. At the same time, on weekly chart on both ES and Q, we got weekly OB. Right? So can I say we turned bearish now? Absolutely not. I cannot say this. But from what I see for now, since we got weekly change in the state of delivery, price may try to hit this 50%. And remember, 50% of order block is important confirmation if order block is going to be strong one or not strong one because it's weak OB, right? So at this point, since we got weekly OB but structure still remains bullish on high time frame, I truly believe it may try to hit a main threshold of this weekly OB, and if we're going to break above this level, so yes, we are bullish again. Hello, all-time high. I missed you. But right now, my plan is to look for retracement to long to this 50% of weekly order block. So I highlighted hourly fair value gap. So my plan is we're going to get retracement to this hourly fair value gap. We're getting SMT with ES. I'm trying to long. That's plan I have for now. Maybe something will change. Ideally to get SMT. You blew 20 Apex accounts in 5. Well, this happens with best of us, right? So just focus, try once again. I know you want to have as many accounts as you want, as you can, because you can take more money from these accounts. But I truly believe, try to scale. What do you mean by this? Try to get 2 accounts, 3 accounts. Don't buy like immediately 20 or like don't get funded with 30 accounts. You don't need this one. Try to get payout with these 2 accounts. Then try to scale again. So take it slow. Because when you have 20 accounts or more accounts, you feel like pressure, right? Or just 1 account, yeah. Slowly scale this, no rush. Okay? A blue mine, well, exactly same situation happened with me last year in August. I blew 1 by 1 as well. So what I did, I passed new accounts, slowly build the buffer and keep trading my model, because sometimes, yes, there are months when probably your performance will not be best, but you know, like, your strategy works, your model works, just trust the process. Unfortunately, sometimes it's going to happen. This happened with me as well. I blew all my funded accounts last year. So what I didn't take any breaks, for example. You don't need to stop trading, trust me. I just passed new evaluations, get funded, and kept trading my model, because I knew my model works. Just sometimes it's going to be like this. Bullish SMT, let me check. Sometimes no. What is that? It's like show? TV show? Look how gold rejecting from 50% of weekly wick so far. Let me think about this. So technically we can pump today to 4,500. Yes. Not sure about my plan yet, but if you're going to get strong closure above 4,345 on 4 chart, we can try to long this. What do you think about that? So technically I'm waiting for the closure above 4,345. 1 second. We're getting the closure above 43.45 on 4 chart. We're trying to long with partial at 50% of our fair value gap. Partial is important at this point, okay, guys? The partial will be at 44.29 and the rest will be to 4,500. So that's plan right now, because I do like how we stuck at 50% of weekly wick. Can be good plan. Good morning, Michael. How are you? Elite Futures. So I started trading with Elite Futures. It was like 2 or 3 years ago, but once I passed evaluations, they had like crazy huge activation fee. I believe 50K activation fee was like $360. Imagine to pay $360 for activation fee for 50K account. So I was like, damn, okay, no, I'm not going to activate these accounts, because I had like 5, I believe, if I'm mistaken, or 3, don't remember. So I switched on Apex, but yeah. I'm not sure what changed now, but since like then I didn't trade with them. It was just crazy huge activation fee. I don't recommend to long gold now until we get in the closure, which is once again important for me, because structure remains super bearish now. Why what? Until we're going to get that closure that was mentioned before. So in Q and yes, once again, I'm waiting for retracement. By the way, guys, like imagine this. Last week I traded only in Q. All my trades were taken on in Q. Isn't that crazy? Apex does have accounts with no activation fee. That's new option. If you go on their website, you can pick between activation fee and no activation fee. That's good for them. So guys, let's see if you're going to get retracement down on both yes and NQ. If stop loss will be better on yes, I will trade yes. I don't really care. And I also will trade today on TradingView TV PM session. Well, NQ wasn't bad last week, you know. Yeah, if you're going to get retracement somewhere here with SMT between yes and NQ, I will try to long. What I'm going to use, 3-minute OB. I guess it will be enough. Okay, that's plan. You got it, right? Let's see. Guys, what is your bias? Do I sit in the middle? Nope. Shorts, well, from what level you want to short? If I want to short from min threshold, 762. I don't mind, because as long as we're below this level after sweep, or at least retest, I want to short this. Short, long gold, okay. So what is Lumi level? It's, okay, let me explain this in different terms. So once we hit important key level, it can be liquidity level on high time frame, it can be high time frame PTS, such as, I don't know, like order block fair value gap, maybe even inversion fair value gap. I kind of, well, I'm not going to say it doesn't work, I just kind of question breaker blocks on high time frame and mitigation blocks on high time frame. I don't know why, just don't really trust them. So anyway, let's say we hit any high time frame level, it doesn't need to be like ICT level, right? It can be like something on volume profile, something supply and demand, whatever. So we expect to get a reaction. But in order to confirm reaction, we need to get shift in structure or change in the state of delivery. Why we call order block as change in the state of delivery? Because we're getting change in something, right? Change in order flow, change in structure. That's why it calls change in the state of delivery. No fancy names, but like really how it works. And at this point, like, I would say change in the state of delivery can be not only order block, but we used to use this like as order block. It can be market structure shift, can be confirmation of change in the state of delivery. It can be even inversion in fair value gap and fair value gap. But ICT calls this as OB and only OB. But logically, it can be any PDRs that confirms shift in structure. But at this point, we're talking about order block. So in order to get this reaction, we want to have change in the state of delivery, OB. So usually we use sequence of down close candle or up close candles. So probably here, it's not super smart to say it's going to be Lumi level because this covers both premium and discount, but logically it can. I'm not fan of using a sequence of down or up close candles when it covers both premium and discount and premium. But we're gonna leave this for now. It's just example. If on fair chart we're going to get sweep of this level and no closure, probably we continue going lower. But if it's going to be closure, all-time high, hello again, I missed you. But once again, here is not perfect example simply because it covers both premium and discount. But on hourly chart, it looks slightly better, right? Here's your Lumi level on 1 hour chart. Here's your Lumi level on 1 hour chart on ES. So Lumi level, it's where we want to put our TP. We never ever want to trade off this level. We want to target this level and only target this level. That's why I always say, I'm going to be conservative. I'm not going to aim for liquidity levels. I'm going to aim for this potential shift in structure. But once again, I don't want to trade off this level. I want to aim for this level. Okay, does that part make sense? It can be on any high time frame. So usually we aim for this level on 15-minute chart. So we usually put at least partials there, right? So yeah, I hope it makes sense. For example, let's say we entered long here. So as you can see, we got sequence of down close candles. Once we get in closure above this level, well, we are bullish, we got shift in structure, we got 5-minute OB. But can I partial here since I can anticipate rejection? Absolutely, I can. So let's say I'm long here, I can put my partial here to lock some profit because it's going to be potential change in the state of delivery, but we cannot know for sure yet, right? It's just example. I hope it makes sense. What in the world? We just joke about this. Nothing. Good morning, guys. What in the world? It's just joke level. But yes, this target has high probability simply because it may always trying to offer change in the state of delivery, but this not always going to happen, right? Sometimes you're going to get sweep continuation lower. So at this point, it's always smart to lock some profits there, okay? So I'm looking for, guys, I'm going to repeat my bias today. I'm looking for the retracement down, somewhere near early fair value gap, SMT at lows, and I will try to long, and I'm only going to long to this level, 29,762. That's going to be my TP. I'm not interested in higher, I'm only interested in this level, because it's the test of mean threshold of weekly order blocks that we got on Friday. Gold at the same time. So my plan on gold, if you're going to get let me delete this line from here. Yeah, perfect. If you're going to get strong closure above 43.45, 4,345, I may try to long with first TP at 50% of our fair value gap, 44.29, and the rest will be to 4,500. For yes, yeah, exactly same. Yeah, exactly same. See, it's in sync. Beautiful. Target on a yes will be 7,500, which by the way actually so cool because it's like psychological level. Small week? You're right. We can. You can include. It's not a problem. Your level is not wrong. You can use this. Yes, it works. Because we got like regular normal candle. Of course, you can include week. You sent me like email and I never saw this email. Can you please copy and paste this email? I don't know, like Instagram, Discord, maybe Twitter. It will be easier to find. Entry. No, Sean. Look, we want to see retracement. I didn't see a single message from you. I would like to see the test of 74.40 25 area first. I would like to get SMT, so technically ES or NQ offers higher low, something will offer lower low. I'm trying to long 3-minute OB after this. So somewhere from here, not from here, it's kind of too high to long. Oh, you're very welcome. We will try. I do like ES more because my risk is always small there compared to NQ. But we'll see. I did super good on my TradingView and Lucid accounts last week. You'll trade E8 futures and Lucid today. TradingView doing super good. Don't want to trade them today. Yes, we do have SMT, British SMT, and I see this and I know this. But logically, since we got 5% drop, almost 5% drop, price tends to offer deep retracement next day. So at this point, it's going to be Monday. From TradingView, yes, guys. I got this email like 5 times. It's scam email, not from TradingView, but someone, I know like what happened. So if you get an email from TradingView saying like you want, I don't know, like $2,643 and you can claim this price, don't click on any links, please. It's a scam. It's a scam. It's a scam. Hey, hello. MMXM. Can you bring your picture back? I will never ever going to figure out that it's you. But it's super cute. Oh my god, it's super cute. Oh, I see. Don't listen to her. Yeah, don't listen to me. It's super cute. Technically, yes. Maybe this word will not be perfect, but yes. Yeah, I saw this email domain. I was like, damn, it's not in like, there is not even a single word about TradingView. Which 50%, Daniel? This one or this one? Gray or Dean? Which 50%, gray or green? I will show you all if you want. Okay, let's do this. So guys, in order to put same levels as I have on my chart, so what I did, let me hide drawings. So as you can see, last week, oh god. Last week we got the closure below sequence of up close candles. So since we got pretty huge week here, so we want to measure from the open of this candle to the close of this candle. So only bodies and 50% will be green line on my chart, this one. Next level, oh by the way, it's not weekly but here, let me fix this. Next level is daily. Damn, Dasha. Next level is inverted hourly week. So since we got no reaction from huge 50% of the damn Dasha, I cannot talk today. From 50% of this huge daily week, I want to consider as potential barrier for price to go higher. So you want to measure this 50%. That's pretty much it. On daily and week, on daily you're going to measure 50% of week. On weekly you're going to measure bodies of 2 up close candles. Let me fix this. Over here. Got it? I hope we're going to get retracement to hourly fair value, so we will try to long this. Please. 4. That's exactly what is going on with my brain now. Yeah. Please, market makers, give us retracement to hourly fair value gap, so we will try to long this to mean threshold of weekly OB on both yes and Q. Please. I was a good girl this weekend, I promise. Please. Ideal plan, guys. Dun, dun, dun. That's perfect plan. Yeah, market is open, nothing significant happened yet. Oh. Please, retrace for us. I want to see around like 380, 360. Yes, MMXM. I was. $770. Why? Did you measure weeks or not? Whatever, it's like 7 points difference. I don't think it's important. Ow. So looking for hourly fair value gap. Don't argue about this. Retrace for us. Where's the kills us? Please. Oh, I forgot. I will send you. Just remind me after stream, okay? Extreme one. Guys, on Wednesday I'm going to have nails appointment. I'm super excited because I keep hiding my nails. It looks so bad. Do you speak Russian? Yes. I do. Come on, retrace. Come on. I do like this SMT here. Just need to hit hourly fair value gap. So far, so good. I like it. Market makers can hear me, right? It will go sell side. Which one? This one? Over here? Well, what I expect to get? Did I delete this level or not? No, yes, I did. My perfect scenario, guys. We're getting reaction from hourly fair value gap, we're testing min threshold of weekly OB, and looking for shorts also down to sell side. That's my ideal plan. Maybe something will change, but we will see. Look how we swept this Lumi level and rejected. Okay, we hit hourly fair value gap on yes. Lower fair value gap. Closer to discount. I just feel like we got not enough retracement, you know? But since we got weekly OB, at least we have first confirmation of shorts, you know? I'm looking for the test of mean threshold. That's it, nothing else. Anyway, let's see. Below fair value gap, obviously stop looking for retracement back to mean threshold. I don't need this at this point. I'm flexible today. But I don't come out. Right. From where I measured? From here? Okay, yeah, from here. And okay, whatever. We didn't hit 50%. So technically, I'm short-term bullish. I want to see retracement higher that we got today, but we will see. Maybe like we don't need a deep retracement. Maybe we need. We will see. Guys, are you looking for shorts? Are you looking for longs? If you're looking for shorts, from what level you would like to short? Short-term bullish. Exactly what I'm looking at. Like short-term bullish to short later. Yeah, guys, if you're trying to short, my question is, from what level you would like to short? Enough, guys, I'm going to share with you because it was like one of the best moments I shared on Twitter. On Friday, where is this? On Friday, I said, it was a joke, I swear to God, it was a joke. I said, I know I'm going to make good money today on my TradingView, Lucid, and A8 futures accounts. I didn't have any trades by this time, but I said I cannot prove it, but I will. After, guys, by the way, guys, if you don't follow me on Twitter, I always, if I didn't take any trades on stream, I always share trade ideas there. And by this time, we respected OT. See, I covered this in my OT video. I covered this in my live streams many times. But my plan was, I didn't have any trades, but I knew I'm going to trade off this level. 3-minute displacement from 50% of this OT, we can try to long to TJF. It was plan number 1. Plan number 2. We get in the closure on 3-minute chart below 70.5%. I covered this in my OT video, in my OT PDF. I'm trying to short new low of the day. Right after this, after I posted this, once again, not in hindsight, we got 3-minute candle closure. See 3-minute chart here. I shorted. And wasn't that perfect? Oh, damn, it was so good. And I was joking about this, like, I know I'm going to kill it today, but it was such a good. Thank you, MMXM, for OT PDF, guys. Link in the chat. Once again, I always try to share my trade ideas on free Discord or on Twitter simply because I prefer to take trades with people. If not on stream, because sometimes IM session just such a shit price action. But sometimes we get in great price action during lunch and I'm sitting in front of my charts. I always like trying to highlight trade ideas on X or Discord. And Q still has room to go lower. ES fell to like 50%. Let me check real quick SPX, guys. So we're still below 50% of this huge move down. That's important to mention this. We're still trading in discount. Open, open, close, open. Let's highlight 25% as well, since we got pretty solid gap. Pre-market price action better than AM session. Lately, you're right. But I cannot always trade pre-market, unfortunately. Oh, seriously? I keep forgetting to... Let me check real quick. Friday was May 5th, right? From here... Oh, you're right. Yes, we hit equilibrium of Friday range. Did this happen? Oh, yes. Oh, damn, you're right. At least the yes hit 50% of OT retracement. You're looking for 74.26? It works for me. If it's going to offer SMT from that range, I will try to long. If not, if you're going to get the strong closure below OT on NQ, I will try to short. Just don't want to be first seller yet. And lately we're getting perfect price action right after market open. So technically, let me measure something. 1 second, guys. We got the close. It's not trade idea. I just want to see something. Okay. This 100 points ranges. That's why I would like to get set up on ES, because on NQ stop loss is over than 100 points. Even with 2 micros, that's kind of wild. You probably want to say like trade 1 micro. I don't want to trade 1 micro because I cannot take partial. When you trade prompts, like the rule number 1, pay the trader, take the partial. No matter what, take the partial to lock some profit. We do have SMT though. Let's see how it's going to hold. Where's Chris? Chris, are you here? Need help. Long on gold, too early for me. My plan is to get the closure above 43.45 on fair chart, try to long to 44.29. We do have SMT. Let me switch on micro ES. Would like to probably trade ES today. What time is this now? 9:42. But risk is better on on ES, guys. Let's trade ES today. Okay. Gonna switch on 2-minute chart real quick. Yes, I do like this one. And 2-minute chart. 2-minute chart. For those who shorted ESTP number 1 is 74.23. We will see. ES still bearish. Not getting the confirmation yet. So nothing I like yet. I don't expect to get deep retracement after getting the closure. Maybe minor pullback, back to 5-minute bullish revival because it's going to form. But I don't expect to get deep retracement on gold, to be honest, once we get in the closure. I know, in Q, ES still bearish. Never got the closure to confirm this yet. Let's see. Oh, we got the closure on a yes. Let's see how strong it's going to be. What about 3-minute chat real quick, guys? Minor closure. I know it doesn't look super bearish who's trying to short. That's probably confusion to me. After we got this closure. Once again, it's still, we have like lots of time still. Do we have any news at 10? Does anyone know? You saw Nathan playing hockey? I will send you more videos today. Because we went to yesterday roller skates rink. Yeah, we were practicing yesterday. It was Nathan and Daniel, by the way, on the video. Top 5 prop firms. So guys, I can add top step once they go into Intraday back. So I got an interesting question, I guess it was on Friday, why I don't trade with top step, simply because I don't have platform to trade. I don't want to mix like NinjaTrader and Project X because it's super hard for me to execute on 2 platforms at the same time. So I'm not going to include this to my top 5 simply because I don't have TraderWeight. That's main reason. So first, I guess best one I have experience with. It's really hard to put like first place. It's going to be something between TradingView and Lucid. TradingView and Lucid, both. Then it's going to be a take profit trader, simply because they have no payout caps. Even if they have intraday trading drawdown, I don't care, it's fine. TPT, then it's going to be Epix. Then it's going to be 5 place. I have no issue with E8 futures so far. Probably E8 futures. Yeah, I do live account, TradeView account. Look how cute it is. Oh, I'm fine. You know, like sometimes it's just super early to execute. Alpha futures, yeah, I forgot about them. Look how we rejected from 50% of this week. And you trying to be bearish, guys. But risk on yes, still better. You trace back to this range. I might try to short yes below this level. Let's see if you're going to get the closure. Below. Let me delete unnecessary drawings from my chart. I might try to short a yes soon, guys. Fine, I just said I don't want to short a yes, but yes, I do want to short a yes soon. Not sure yet, but if we're going to get 2-minute candle closure, something like that. Maybe? I hope so. We will see, something like that. Maybe I will change my stop loss placement. I don't know yet, but probably will not. But I'm waiting for 2-minute candle closure below. It's like good risk here, like around like 2 hour. Barbara, Mike is skating better than me as well. I have no idea how to skate. That's funny. It's fine, guys, nothing yet. But risk on yes лучше. Why did I tell you again? Wait for New York open and then shall see confirmation. Nothing free in this world, my friend. Nothing free in this world. What level would like to aim for? 26. Let's see. We try soon. I like it. A risk reward is going to be a good one. Let me look for shorts here. Love it. 1 second, guys. Trying to adjust everything I have here. Why my copier is not on? Like risk here. Looking good to me. Let me connect my copier because it's not synced with my chart trader for some reason. 1 second, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll short below this level on 2-minute chart. It will be my short idea. Let's see how it goes, if I'm right or not. So 2-minute candle closure, I'm short, not now, but I will short below this level. We'll put my stop loss somewhere 74.57. Or if it's going to displace now, I will try it right now. Let's see. I like the short idea. So what do you think, guys? Yeah, risk on yes will be better. That's why I don't want to short on NQ. I'm not sure on yes yet. But once we get in displacement or closure, full in. With current risk, I'm probably going to execute 7 micros on ES with stop loss. Let me see if I'm going to put this over here. 10 points. Probably something like that. Yeah, guys, I'm okay. I had nice trade idea. Let's see if I'm right about this. Just need to get 2-minute candle closure below this 50%, and I'm all in. Let's see if I'm correct. No. Nothing yet. Come on, do something. Please. So we're still expecting 50%. Okay, not valid for now. I'm gonna delete. But 50% will be potential short idea. Yeah, not yes. And Q is still below 50% of this small 2-minute wick. Trying to respect equilibrium of Friday range, so technically RTH it is so far. Nothing yet for me. Nothing yet for me. See how we rejected from this level? Let me switch on NQ, I guess. Back on NQ. Do we have another SMT? See how we respected mean threshold of 2-minute structure? Kind of choppy. Give me the trade, please. Please. I'm ready to kill this. Just give me the trade, please. Forgot to connect the Apex account. That's actually good because I didn't miss anything. Oh. NQ, what's wrong with your stop loss? Just asking. Why it's always... Oh, 1 second. Let me see. Guys, going to come back in 1 moment. Minor SMT at this highs. Can you hear me? Just to make sure. Come on, yes, do something. What is going on? Look how NQ is expecting 50% of this week. I cannot long this yet. We can long above. First action. I know you can do better. Stop this job. Let me switch on 1 minute chart because I do like potential shorts. To aim for 26. $10 stop loss, $250 risk. Okay, let's try. Trying to short yes, guys. In trade, just enter it. 1 second. I'm going to show you. What's wrong with the Scorpio? Just enter it. So first 5 micros, risk 10 points, so risking $250 on this trade. I do like displacement with SMT. Oh, let me switch on yes here. First try. Let's see if I'm right on first try. If not, then silver bullet, guys. We'll come back to silver bullet, okay? Where did I enter that I have 10-point stop loss? Over here. $26.50 is my TP. Let's give it a try. Fuck. I will partial 32, I think. My partial 32, guys. Oh, trail my stop loss. On ES can be partial level. What a trail! It's for now. Damn, it was funny. 32, guys, is partial level. Take partial there. It's OT. Just be careful. Okay, partial here. Moving stop loss to break even. Guys, final TP 26.50, but partial here, please. Thank you, Michael. Kind of questioned this before, but once you got SMT in rejection from 50%, decided to give it a try. Yeah, 1 second, guys. Let's see if you're going to hit my final level, which is 20, guys, 26.50. God, do I have volume here? Okay. Hey, chair, where you from? I just bought this chair, by the way. It's new one. TP. Sorry, guys. I told you, I woke up with feeling I'm going to kill it today. TP. Give me 70.5%. At the same time, NQ just entered out of fair value gap, which I did like so much. Final TP, please. Guys, once again, don't forget to partial where we are now, okay? Because it's OT range. So 70.5%, it's nice level for final TP, but we're still inside OT range now. We can't trade, we can reject from this level. Just keep this in mind. I call this OT range. That's why I said partial there. That's why I partial there. And Q also... and Q also stuck at our fair value gap. Let's see if you're going to hit OT, final level at OT. Doesn't really need to do this. That's why I said don't forget to partial at 62, but I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind. So since I'm trading right now 20 plus 10, 30 funded accounts, so I locked $300 already on each account. Nice partial, guys. I mean, nice partial. I'm gonna trail here, just a bit lower. Also super trail, right? I love it. Absolutely love this reaction. So good. We will see. So I wouldn't mind to get 70.5% though. But maybe it will not. Maybe it will. Who knows? It's not even silver bullet. Oh, it's silver bullet time. Let's see. Maybe we're gonna get a good trade. Still. Another trade. But I'm still in this short. It still has like chance to go there to 70.5. I hope so. Still rejection of this level, see? 47 by the way can be 47 can be stop loss. Let me trail there. See this 50%, I'm going to trail my stop loss to this level. As long as below we still have a chance to go lower. Once break above, we can look for second trade. I think so. We're gonna see, we're gonna see. But good start of this week. Like some good money on my account. My beautiful accounts. Look at the strong rejection from OT. I absolutely love it. Just let's see if we're going to get confirmation of this. CV rejection of this level, so still looks good to me. Still looks good to me. So I cannot say like I was super bearish today. I wanted to retrace my level retrace now. That's why I shorted. Since NQ had room to go lower, so I decided like, well, setup is here, let's try. Definitely could be wrong about this. Let me show you NQ real quick, guys. See, NQ right now sitting at 50%, while ES already broke below 62%. Let's see if you're going to hit 70.5. Okay, let me bring my chart back. Just edit execution so it's easier for you to see. Look at this done close candle. Damn, that's actually wild. If you're going to get 24 points now, okay, I'm going to put this one tick higher. Whatever. It will be a nice trade. Need to remember about consistency rule as well. But my stop loss at the right placement. 47 break probably will offer some longs. Good solid longs. So far we got pretty much sniper partial. 75% position off at that level. There's 2 micros left on this position. Okay, here we are out. Let's look for another trade, but I do like the reaction from OT. Just let's see if we're going to confirmation break above this level. Yeah, like $300 on my Tori accounts with 3 micros, so no complaints. I kind of like this more. Let's see what kind of reaction is going to be. I do like potential longs above 47 with strong displacement to aim for new IM session high. Which I can try, by the way. But I cannot long this 100% now. I don't like this yet. Technically, it could hit. It could hit 70 points. But it's a nice trade. I'm really proud of myself at this point. Let's see what will happen at 74.47. Yeah, we got W, quick W for Monday. No complaints. Damn, I still like it. It will be funny if it's going to drop like now. See how we're rejecting from 47? It's still absolutely soul trade idea here. Just a bit choppy. Dun, dun, dun. I was waiting for NQ to hit earlier for a while. I measured stop loss on NQ. It was 110 points. So I was like, no, thank you. Probably I would short this on NQ. But stop loss was damn so big. So I decided to trade this on ES. But technically I was aiming for earlier for a value gap on NQ. Let me show you. Exactly same trade, but this reward wasn't perfect. But mostly it was because of NQ, not ES trade. But also at the same time, guys, SPX didn't hit 25% before. Okay, nice W here, looking for another trade. Let's see how we're going to respect 25, not 25, 50% level again. It's still bearish. Daniel was here. Yeah, you know, this keyword wasn't perfect, but you know, if on this trade I was risking $250 or so, on NQ this trade with 2 micros could be $400 to make $400. So technically I made pretty much same number, but risking less. Trying to display, I don't know. Still rejecting off this level. Let's see. NQ doesn't really need to go lower anymore. Technically, yes as well, because he is respecting OT. But let's see if we're going to get confirmation of this reaction. If I have this bell, which bell? Come on, baby, give me second trade. Just do something with this 50%. I don't know. See you guys have a closing? Damn, I kind of question this. Technically it's short still. Just don't want to probably where I want to engage. Let's see. This week's kind of What are you doing with me? Okay, we'll wait, guys. Want to short again, but we'll wait a little bit more. Ugly tracement. Just thinking like what I need to have to confirm second entry. Not simply because we reject, but something else. Let me see, maybe like second trade will be on NQ. How big stop loss on NQ? Let me see. Oh, damn. Okay, maybe not that bad. Let's see. Would like to get at least 2 minutes structure, you know? We'll try this one. But on a yes, like technically we can get a bit more room to downside. Seems like no, or yes. We got equal. Or not, or yes, or not, or yes. We got equal highs on MNQ, but no equal highs on NQ. Okay. Let's see if we're going to get shift in structure on NQ. Will be another short. I want to see yes lower. Biggest problem. Or I would like to see yes higher once we're going to break above 50%. What a job. Yes, still sitting inside market maker sell model. As long as we're below 74.47, by the way, look at this perfect number. We can go lower. I cannot long this. At this point, I just don't want to be first buyer. So technically we have room to go lower. I still believe my trade idea was W, good solid W. But I managed this risk properly. Let's see, MNQ also looks solid. We can get something like that on NQ. We got confirmation. Let's see if you're going to expand. Here. $50 stop loss. Maybe it's not that bad, you know. Let's see. If you're going to test and expand, may try this one. We'll aim for 320 level. It will be my second trade, probably. Yes, still valid, absolutely perfect. You're going to long? You can look for longs on yes if you yes, like below 74.26. I think so. So technically they can go lower, but depends where you're going to put your stop loss. You can look for longs below OT, slightly below OT. Yes, technically. Okay, let me ask you. I mean, I do see we have SMT right now on yes and NQ. I do see higher low formation, failure swing formation on NQ. But what confirmation did you use to long? Maybe I'm just missing something. Maybe I don't see this. Why are you trying to long? What confirmation you got? Just really asking because I'm interested in this. Maybe I'm missing something. On NQ we got 2-minute inversion for value gaps. I do see this. But on yes we got nothing. Just my real question, why? But maybe because I'm like super blind. I'm not going to argue about this. Totally possible to get short or longs, but I'm going to long above 74.47. Just if I want to keep my eyes on ES, nothing tells me to long. Maybe on NQ we got 2-minute inversion for a value gap, nice reaction from hourly. And yes, we rejected off 10 AM open, but on ES, not enough information yet to engage. Once again, I just don't want to be first buyer. Probably that's why I'm looking for excuses, but I don't see entry. Not going to lie. Long from Asia high. You mean retest? One second. Retest of Asia high? Was the same price with London high, pretty close. Chat, I mean it's okay. Yeah, I agree with the retracement lower. I do like it to see ES at 74.26. Look at this consolidation. I mean, I hope it will lack some profit, but it's kind of painful. You serious? Come on, go for it. Share the secrets. Let's check SPX. See? Yes, we got the action from 25, the range between 50 and 25% of our TH gap, but do we have confirmation? Nope. No, not yet. Not yet. Maybe we'll get soon. I hope so. But I don't mind longs. Just above this level. I'm perfectly fine with longs. Just let's break 74.47 first. Days VWAP. What's the price? So you're using 9:30 AM open as rejection level, as resistance and support, as reaction from this level using 3-minute OB. What confirmation do you use? And what about to stop this chop? Please. I want to see yes lower, guys. Maybe I am wrong, and I'm happy to be wrong. But I truly believe trade idea that I took has to deliver to final TP. I got, let me see what my risk reward. I got almost 2R. Well, not bad. I just realized this. I didn't see this in the beginning. You long? We're going to pray for this for you long, seriously. I'm going to pray simply because I'm not in trade, so I feel good about this. But if I would still decide to hold this short, I would say, like, please, go lower first. But I hope you're going to win. Screenshot? Yeah, thank you. Don't pray. Yeah. All I want to say, I don't want to long yet. That's all I want to say. That's it. I think it will be enough. Even in this chap, guys, I don't see longs. But I still see short opportunity on ES. And this opportunity is still valid. Still, yeah, it's 10.22, so it's fine. But I want to see lower. Just saying. Ignoring this chap, I want to see lower. And Q, I agree, it's absolutely garbage. It's just horrible. It looks like, you know, like how it looks now. Let's check gold, maybe. So what I see on gold, we got kind of tricky closure here, right? But we got the closure above my level. Double shit. Yes, exactly. That's exactly what I think about this. Do we have any models here? No, technically we have short model here, right? Here's some back to the range. Wait, 1 second, let me see. Where's my retracement back to the range? Gold looks promising to continue selling off back to 43, 15, 20 area. What a chop. Look at this. No love for gold. Okay, let's see. Maybe continuation on gold and we will try this one. I like longs on ES, but above 74.47. We will try. I TradingView account. Why I still have Grand Cup account in my list? I need to know. So you guys don't see second opportunity yet, but I will, I promise. I will long above 74.47. Let me see. Breaking above my level, I like it. Let me measure risk. 1.6. Well, I like longs now. Let's see. We got first closure. Let me check NQ real quick. We got the closure as well. Let's see. If I want to give it a try. Also yes, probably. Let me see on 3-minute chart to check. Nice closure above my key level. I'm looking for longs on the yes. Probably this one. So guys, what do you think about this? I have interest only on yes today. I kind of love it. Let's see how we're going to hold 74.47. For longs, I don't want to see the trace on back below. We got the test of equilibrium of Friday range on ENQ. We're still below 555. Let's see how we're going to support. But I'm willing to try this one if you're going to reject off this level. 74.47. I will try it. It will be a second trade on a yes. Let me check SPX 1 second. We got nice closure here. Okay, not nice one, but we got the closure. Oops. Kind of choppy. Let's check YM. Well, let's not to check. Let's try to stay away from checking YM. You know what I see on the yes? It's trying to build low resistance liquidity run. We'll not trade in Q today, guys. We'll trade only yes. $20 seconds left on this candle, 2-minute candle. So far, we're trying to reject off 74.47, but kind of stuck at this level. But I'm willing to try probably this one. Don't want to trade in Q today. I think so. Probably yes. First reason, because it's crazy huge stop loss on NQ now. Second reason, ES kind of respecting levels better at this moment. So second trade will not be on Apex accounts. On Apex, I already locked my profit. I really want to try long. Because rejection of my key level. Whiplash maybe at 74.59. Let's see. Still is above 74.47. But choppy. That biggest concern. Because when we entered first trade, it was like good structure. Right now it's kind of choppy structure. But definitely looks good. Just choppy. Let's check oil real quick, guys. Yeah, Maxim, I'm okay to long. Just let's see what kind of reaction. I do like this reaction so far. Just not sure I'm going to hold to final TP. And I'm not sure I'm going to hold more than 1 hour on this trade. If I will enter. I don't know, we will see. I will let you know, guys, once I'm in trade. Not fun yet. It looks super choppy now. Because from what I see, in Q below 555, so just cannot long in Q. Even if we got nice, like we got nice pump, and this pump is huge, but considering this, just we have huge range, guys. That's pretty much it. That's why it's huge. We got 200 points pump. I just cannot, like, if I want to long, yes, but I'm not going to call this A plus setup. B minus maybe. Why? Because the NQ still remains a bit more bearish. RTY, don't want to trade RTY. SPX looks good to expand. But yes, looks horrible. Let me hide drawings real quick. I have so many of them. So what I see on 15? I see nothing good. I see how we're respecting 50-minute fair value gap. I see how we can pump to 74.62. But it's on 15-minute chart. I don't use 1-minute chart, yeah. Am I missing something there? It looks horrible on 1-minute chart, no? So you guys, I promise I'm going to keep my chart clean now. Because it really looks horrible. I use 2, 3, and 5-minute charts. Minute chart. Maybe we'll try this on evaluation, guys. Because I don't like structure yet. Don't want to trade funded. Let's try maybe on evaluation. What do you think? Worth it? I didn't really question this setup yet, so it's not for funded, but for a while maybe. Just to see if it's going to work. I don't want to scalp. I just want to see if it's going to work. Let me connect the files here. 1 second. Let me connect evaluation accounts. Because in evaluation we can try like big size, right? I will try this in evaluation. Just to see if it's going to work. Minor pullback, I can try this one. Will not hate the setup on a wow. Damn, going without me. Wait, what are you doing? I was connecting my account just too long. Whatever. Classic Dasha. Classic. I just connected the bar, so let's see. If I can win today. I hope so. I'm going to trade long, but an evaluation account. On yes. It will be my second trade. First trade was unfunded. I traded 30 funded accounts. Where I made $320 actually per account. Right now, just going to see if I can get in trade on evaluation. Don't want to trade unfunded. This kind of questions the setup, but I do like how NQ broke above 555. So, you know what I do like here? We got minor SMT. That was enough for me to say like I want to be bullish. But I didn't like how NQ was staying below my key level. So which was 500, 555, like here, here, here. And we finally broke above this level. So next step on NQ, and that was my original plan, 762. So we can pump 200 more points. But I will trade this on yes. But once again, we'll execute on evaluation. Because next step on NQ, guys, 762. That's what I would like to get since we broke above my key levels and we got reaction from early fair value, guys. That's pretty much exactly what I wanted to see. Unless Trump is going to say something and it'll drop like 1,000 points. Everyone's scared. Yeah. Of course, we are simply... Something fell off. Whatever. Because we dropped 5% last week. For one day. 1,000... No, it was 1,300 points or 1,300 points. Of course, we kind of scared to long this now. 5,825 ticks. That's wild. Yeah, I wasn't short before. We weren't short before. I was connecting my evaluation accounts to trade this long because I shorted on funded. But it ran without me, so waiting for entry again. But I'm going to trade. I'm going to trade evals on this long. Never said Trump when you enter into trade. Oh god, that's funny. But yeah, that's true. Where's SPX? Super chappy. Once again, guys, see this Lumi level reaction on 3-minute chart. This one. I'm going to highlight this with like pink color because it's my favorite color. So ideally, guys, to see move higher today, I want to see low the day is in. But we will see. Let me open hourly chart on NQ 1 second. Is it equal highs? Damn, that's equal highs? Well, I'm gonna clean my chart a little bit for you guys. Really hard to see anything there. I'm gonna clean my ES chart as well. Nothing to clean actually because it's already clean. I cannot even call this like SMT at highs. Guys, am I missing something? Still above 10 AM open. Let's check YM real quick. I'm willing to try an evaluation. Not unfunded. But you're right, it's equal highs kind of crazy. Let me see here on 2-minute chart. Rejection from 2-minute internal OB. Guys, don't forget to click the like button. Share this team as always. Well, still nothing for me. Well, whatever. Kind of choppy. I mean, we already got that straight, but this one kind of... No, thank you. Oh, it's here. Okay, got it. But I do like to see how it goes up now. Nice move up here. Didn't take this. I mean, cannot say I feel sad about this because I was trading. I wanted to trade evaluations, but it looks good, definitely. Oof. What is going on? Next up is 762. I'm going to just observe this. We will do giveaway soon. Really happy with my performance today. Happy with my Apex, so I can request some money from there. Happy with my other accounts. On Apex, I have like base hit. And right now it's $500. I'm happy with $320 as well there. Equal high staking. Oh, guys, let's do giveaway soon. Giveaway link is... Today I'm doing TPT, by the way. Take Profit Trader accounts. Don't forget to click the like button, share this stream, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I do giveaways every single day as well as do live trading every single day as well. Well, I would say today's price action was good. Not going to argue about this. Really love it. We got nice shift in structure on ES. I do like how we're holding above 74.47. Chris, can you speak English, please? I keep asking this every single day. Yeah, guys, are you ready for giveaway? It's time. It's time. No, Chris just using like interesting terms, and I always have no idea what he's talking about. Like, always. And when I say always, I mean this, like always. It's Russian accent. Okay, let's do giveaway. Because I'm going to Steam PM session as well, so we should look for more trades. TPT for today. Lots of people were asking for TPT. I know it's kind of slow to get this account, but we're doing good. We're doing good. Guys, are you ready? It's Russian accent. It's Russian accent. Did I say it's Russian accent? It's Russian accent. Okay, let's pick first winner. More accounts. Go on my YouTube, find the video about Ninja Trader, so I shared this. So first winner, are you here? Are you in the chat with us? Damn, he is beautiful today. Yay! Fast enough, fast enough. I will stream with girls on TradingView TV at 1:30 p.m. Do giveaways every single day. Tomorrow we can do TradingView or Lucid or Epix or TPT again. Second winner, are you here? Usually I have 1 minute to claim your prize, otherwise I'm picking another winner. Yay! So guys, to conclude, we got nice W today for 20 points. For 20 points, really wants to engage in longs, but at the same time, well, it's fine. Kind of questions this. But in real time, it wasn't that nice how it looks now. Happens. One more. I cannot do one more because I set up program today for 2 accounts only. So we close this tomorrow. So I'm happy with my wins today. Lost some money on Monday. Better than nothing, right? Better like $320 on other accounts, a bit more because I execute with more contracts. But overall, nice. Only 3 platforms support your country. Which one? Guys, if I will see something that's worth to try, I will let you know on Twitter or Discord, okay? If I will see something like right after the stream that's really worth to try, I will let you know on Discord probably. Free Discord, link in the description under this live stream. Love you guys. Don't forget to click the like button, share the stream with other traders. Maybe they will find some value. Subscribe. I will see you today at 1:30 p.m. on TradingView TV or tomorrow at 9 a.m. Oh, no, not tomorrow. Tomorrow I will stream on Ninja Trader TV with other traders. Tomorrow is another competition. Don't like Monday competitions. So tomorrow will be on Ninja Trader Live. Forgot. Not super happy about it, but it's fine. Because I don't like one-day competitions. You have to sit like all damn day and trade this. I'm not going to do this. I will play some trades for this Ninja Trader Arena, but yeah. See you tomorrow there, and on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday on my channel. Maybe tomorrow, not going to promise, you'll stream PM on my channel. Depends. Love you guys, you are the best. As always, thank you for your support. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for everything you do for me. Wish you good luck. Don't make stupid mistakes. For my social media, link in the description, as well as my Discord there. If you want to join. It's free. It's free, and it's free again. Love you guys. You are the best.
Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.